Good evening. This is Prasanna Vasudevan, professor at the WeSchool, Matunga, Mumbai, India. And today we are conducting a workshop on NLP, which stands for Neuro-linguistic programming. And what we intend to cover in this workshop is all about sensory acuity, emotional state of control, how people can work on disempowering belief systems and convert them into empowering belief systems, and also how they can instantaneously build rapport with anyone, and also create strategies for excellence apart from generating new productive behavior and anchoring. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Don't say so and so, tell your name. Right? That's the state of mind. It's not that technique is important, but your state of mind is more important. The right state of mind can achieve whatever you want to achieve, because it puts you.
Hi, this is Bhairavi Mohite, and I am a second year student in Hybrid PGDM at Welingkar. I have chosen marketing management as my specialization, and today I attended NLP workshop, and I must say it really helped me understand myself in a better way as a professional, and it helped me understand what are my weak points, what are my strengths. For example, sir helped us understand how to articulate our thoughts into desirable actions. And also, for example, if we are thinking negative or some disempowering thoughts, he helped us understand how to convert them into positive affirmations, because in a corporate setup there are a lot of times we deal with negativity, so it depends on us and our mindset on what kind of opportunities we want to attract and how we want to achieve them. So basically, overall I would say this workshop really helped me to dive deeper into myself and set a growth mindset, and also be humble at the same time. So yeah, thank you Welingkar for arranging this opportunity, and I look forward for more.
I'm pursuing my PGDM in HR from the Welingkar Institute. Today we have attended an NLP workshop. We have got immense learning from this. So what I have learned, first we have to be a self-confidence, and we should take the ownership of our failures as well as our successful. Okay, so and we should, if we have to be successful in our career, in our personal life, professional life, then we should go with the attitude like never give up, okay, and never stuck in the same situation. Every life is all about learning, so we have to keep going on learning. We have to just